Hello guys, eto na naman, nagbabalik na naman ako sa panibagong video at syempre, hindi tayo magpapahuli sa trending ngayon. Yung trending na maybe this time. Kasi, ang dami-dami talaga nagre-reaction tapos gumagawa sila ng kanilang version. So, sa video na ito, mapapanood nyo ang version ko. Kaya, tabi-tabi sa mga singer dyan kasi ako lang po naman talaga ang feeling singer. Oh, ito, panoorin nyo.
Trending to ngayon, guys. Taas ang boses. Siling naman ang batang to.
Siyempre, ito na yung ating entry. Ay, nako. Ay, talaga naman. First time kong gagawin ito sa industriya. Siyempre, ayan. Wearing all the faces, yeah. Talk about the places they've been. Oh, two old sweethearts fell apart somewhere long ago. How were they to know? Someday they'll meet again and have a need for more than reminiscence. Maybe this time, oh, out of love and they'll find. Maybe now they can't be more than just friends. Oh, you know, she's back in his life, makahangak. And it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. Wala nag-auton. Auto-tune. Serious. It's the same old feeling back again. Oh, it's the one we have back when they were too young to know when love is real. But somehow, something never came. And every time hasn't called the flame that is burning brighter than I did before. Oh, I got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can't be more than just friends. Ay, feelings na yun. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. Suot mo nagkamautan ni oy. She's smiling like he used to smile way back when. She's feeling like he used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept them waiting for this magic moment. Oh, maybe that's and they'll find. Maybe now they can't be more than just friends. Oh, she's back. Ay, Ginoo. Itatakbo na tayo ng mga pamilya natin ito. Maybe this time. Maybe this time. Maybe this time. Love. Ay, sana hindi ako itatakbo. Oh. Tama na yun. Parang itatakwil na talaga ako ng mga anak ko ito. Ay, Diyos ko po. Oh, pahamak tong trending na to. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for watching.